Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving question 45 from the first chapter of the Johnston textbook, Mechanics and Materials. And we have a 3/4 inches steel bolts that are to be used to attach the steel plates, as we can see, to a wooden beam. We know that the plate is supporting a load of 24 kips. So we were talking about the force P, and the ultimate shearing stress for that steel is 52 ksi, and we need to find a factor of safety for this design. If we go to the givens of the question, we have the ultimate shearing stress, which will be the force, or ultimate force I should say, over the area. The force, call it P, and the force P that we have in here is applying on 3 different bolts, as we can see. And we can find the area of each of them. Since we have the diameter, it will be pi over 4d squared. So pi over 4 times the diameter is 3/4, and we can find the surface area based on inches squared. Let's calculate that. So 0.75 squared times pi divided by 4. So the area that we're going to get is 0.442. So if you want to find the PU in here for each bolt, we have the ultimate stress, which is 52 ksi. So we have 52 ksi times the area, 0.442 inches squared. And from here we can find the force, ultimate force in each bolt. So that's going to be 52 times 0.442, which is going to give us 22.984. And that's the force that is applying again on each of these bolts. We have 3. So the PU, the ultimate force that we have is actually 3 times 22.984 for 3 bolts. And now we can find factor of safety, the PU that we have over the P that is in the figure, or the 24 kips that we have. So here our force is also in kips. We're going to have 3 times 22.984 divided by 24. Let's see what we get. So this times 3 divided by 24. And that's going to give us a factor of safety of 2.873, which will be the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next one.